And welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to my Questioning Karmic Klowns series. In this episode, we're going to be talking about the law enforcement edition. Let's dive right in, should we? Shall we? Now, as I'm going to say in each video at the start, while the title of this series might sound unserious, I am in no way taking away the seriousness of domestic violence and human trafficking. However, doing it this way allows me to discuss my trauma and experiences that I've gone through with my abusers over the last 20 years. So, I really don't mean to offend anybody, but for me, it's my own personal way of discussing things. So, let's get started, shall we? Now, before I drop the next part of my Truman Show, as you know, I'm going through questions that I have for the people that involve themselves in my life. And in this law enforcement edition, I just have a couple of questions for the people that helped my abusers attempt to gain coercive control over my life. So, to all the police officials involved, will the federal civil rights lawsuit be worth it? Will losing your career and face jail time, heard they're not so kind to law officials in prison. I don't know though, never been. Will that be worth it? To the officers and the police station that allowed these criminals to file false police reports on me, accusing me of stalking and harassment. One, isn't filing false police reports a criminal offense? And two, if so, why are you allowing it? Domestic violence comes in many forms, including financial, physical, sexual, emotional, and psychological abuse. My main abusers wanted me caught up in legal issues so that I wouldn't have time or the support or energy to use my resources for my different litigation cases that I have going on. Their thought is that I'd be so wrapped up and stressed out that maybe I might drop things or wouldn't be believed because I got arrested for things that I didn't do. Coercive control is a form of abuse where the main goal is to degrade, isolate, and deprive victims of their basic human rights to physical security, dignity, respect, and putting the victim in a state of fear and terror or entrapment. My main abusers wanted to cause torment and instability in my life. My main abusers also wanted me to be fearful and hopeless in knowing that they could violate my civil rights with no consequences, exerting coercive control over my life. Truly diabolical. All of the above can happen in toxic romantic bonds and relationships, check. Dysfunctional families, check, check. And high drama workplaces, complete trifecta team. My main attackers brought their abuse to 3 different workplaces of mine over the last 20 years. Live Ops, the Phoenix Suns and Mercury, and State Farm. And within each workplace, my abusers contacted managers, co-workers, and HR in an attempt to ruin my reputation or cause termination. And unfortunately, they did have an impact in all 3 of those work environments. But we'll talk about more of those things later. I really do thank you for being here. And if you have been a victim of domestic violence or trafficking of any type, I truly do hope you know that I am here fighting for all of us because we all deserve better than this. And the only thing that can defeat evil and pure wickedness in this world is love. And I hope to see you in the next episode.